Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a comment that you've made on a YouTube video. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is make sure you're signed into YouTube. And you guys go up to the top right, make sure you see your user icon up there. You got to be signed into the correct channel. If you have different brand accounts, you won't be able to delete one brand account comment with another brand account. So make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube channel as well. And then go under the comment section of the video. Usually your comment is up at the top just so it's easy for you to find it if you ever want to edit it or modify it later. And you just go ahead and select the three-dot icon next to your comment and select where it says delete. It says delete your comment permanently. Select delete, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.